Tuesday, September 2nd, 1800, at the home of Captain John. Present, Captain William Claus, Acting Deputy Superintendent General, Lieutenant James Givens, Agent, Indian Affairs, Lieutenant McQueen, Queen's Rangers, Mr. David Price, Interpreter, Mr. Nathaniel Lynes, Interpreter, Mr. John Ferguson, Kingston, Molly Brant's son-in-law, Preto Selby, Assistant Secretary, Indian Affairs, the chiefs and other of the Mohawk Indians residing there.
The melancholy business which has lately happened here induced your father, General Hunter, to order me down to meet you, and to inquire into the cause of your disputes, and if possible, to bring you together again, as friends and relations should always be. The greatest misfortune which can possibly happen to you is that of living in a divided state. You lose all your domestic comforts and all your respectability as a nation. You not only injure each other individually, but you bring disgrace and sorrow on all connected with you. Nor can I avoid telling you that I feel, in a very sensible manner, every circumstance that tends to weaken you as a nation, or to interrupt the harmony and the mutual goodwill of men who should live as one family, and who should resolve that no consideration should disunite them. Your father, however, is desirous of knowing the grounds of your disputes, which have terminated so unfortunately, and I shall be glad to hear what each party has to say tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock, as it is now too late to proceed to business.